Good day everyone. So in this video, I'm gonna share you the step-by-step in case you find this experience like the incognito is not showing or not working in this Google Chrome. So the very first step here, you can go to this Windows and give the right click or the Windows R, that is the run, like this. And then you type this keyword Regedit or Registry Edit. You can click OK. And after that, you're gonna see a lot of lists over here, and go to this local machine and then go to the software and in this Google. And if you open it, you're gonna see the several folder like the Chrome, and there is the another folder. Don't worry, just keep focusing in this Chrome, guys. And if you find the files named the IncognitoModeAvailability here, that can be the root cause of this incognito doesn't show up in this Google Chrome, guys. For example, I'm gonna make it for you. For example, this is the incognito mode availability like this. If you find this type of file, you can select this and then make sure that the value data is the 0, guys, because the 1 would be interpreted as the disable. And after that, you can start to close from this Registry Editor and do the restart like this. And then you can try to open this Google Chrome again, and based on the experience I have, this incognito will be show up here. And in case you have already tried that step before, but this Google Chrome don't show you this incognito, so you can try the another folder that you can find in this policies here, and go to this Google, and if you find the incognito mode availability here, you can start to change the value to become 0. For example, just imagine this is the incognito mode availability. You can simply open it and change the value data to become 0 and do the restart again, and you can start to open your Google Chrome, and this incognito should have been showing in this section. So that's how you solve this issue in case the incognito doesn't work in your Google Chrome. Or if you have any another recommendation about the another step-by-step to solve this problem, please don't be hesitate, guys, to share us in the comment section, and we would love to see your comments there. I hope this video finds you helpful. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.